and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Boy, guys, has our weather changed here. It is freezing cold, snowing, and just bitter cold. Today we're going to take a look at it. Really a cool car. This is a 1964 Chevrolet El Camion. Just a super cool car. Recent frame-up restoration. I really dig the color. This is called Go Man Go. It's an orange metallic. It's got the black vinyl interior. This is actually a Chrysler color. And I wish the sun was out because it really pops. It's got a great look to it. I actually owned a Dodge pickup this color. It's got a big block 396 in it with a mild little cam in it, Muncie 4-speed manual transmission, 355 limited slip, so it's got a fun little drivetrain in it. US mags, 18s and 20s. Pretty car. Car's out, or truck, car, whatever you want to call it. It's out of Kentucky. Like I say, just got a great look. I wish we were shooting it on a better day, but welcome to Michigan. Chrome and stainless is nice. Not a whole lot to really, pick at on the car. There's a couple little marks in the paint and stuff, but not much. You can see they replaced the bumpers. I really like the color, man. I wish that we were shooting this thing on a sunny day, because this thing, in fact, my son and I, we bought this car at the show. We actually drove it for 2 or 3 days, and this thing's just got a great look to it. Really just a good car. Again, sorry about the little dusting of snow on it, but not much we can do. And I don't like shooting them inside. People ask that, why don't you just shoot them inside? I like the cars with the natural color. I like them where, how you're going to see them. You put them inside, you got neon lights everywhere, and to me, it just doesn't show you the way the car is going to look. You can see this stainless is really nice around the bed. They put that Rhino bed cover in it. That's actually like what's in my new Dodge. And we've actually, several cars we've actually bought here lately, they have that because it's nice. You can throw stuff in the bed, it looks good, and yet you don't have to worry about chipping it up. Thought the taillights were cool on these cars. 64s are cool. He's got a little custom pinstriping here. Again, the truck was out of Kentucky. It's very nice on the bottom. We took some photos of the bottom. We'll put on the website for you. And we drove it for 3 days, so it's a good car, man. New rubber. 20-inch US mags on the rear, 18s on the front. It's got pretty paint on it. This is late 60s, early 70s era 396 block. It's got a Holley Performance 4-barrel. It's got the Torker II aluminum intake. Power steering, power brakes, headers, HEI distributor. It's got aluminum radiator with a flex fan. Like I say, we drove it for 3 days, didn't have any problems with it heating up or anything like that. Whew, that wind is rough. That cuts you to the bone, doesn't it, Jay? Couple little things we got to do. The wipers weren't working, so we'll get those working. I think it's I don't know, a little adjustment on the arm or something, Jay said. New mirrors. Yeah, the way I don't want to take a chance of getting ripped off either. New door handles. You can see it's got the new door rubbers in it. It's got the black vinyl interior. I thought this was cool too. Bucket seats, console. It's got the Hurst shifter. Yeah, I thought this was really cool. Grant wood steering wheel. 81,459 on the odometer. That's supposed to be the original miles. It's got the factory dash in there. Then it's got an aftermarket some aftermarket Sunpro gauges along with the Sunpro tach. I thought that was pretty cool. Aftermarket radio. It's Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got a 10-bolt 355 limited slip rear end in it. It's got adjustable upper control arms in the rear. And you know, when you normally, I don't know how many, if you look at these El Caminos, you look down in there, they're all rusty. That thing is just rock solid. I'm gonna have you shut this, Jay. Detailed up real nice underneath. You can see they painted the fuel tank body color. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got a great sound to it. The cam hits real nice. Sorry, some dust, guys. Yeah, I thought this was cool, man. Of course, 99% of these are bench seat with a, you know, column shift, and this one with the bucket seats and the 4-speed I thought was pretty doggone cool. Nice little cam to it. Car gets its R's quick. Here comes the snow. Oh, it's got the SS hood on it. Thought that was cool. Whew. Sorry guys, man. Believe me, we wish it was 85 and sunny here too. Fuel gauge does work. You can see the car's holding good oil pressure, over 60 pounds, probably 70 pounds there. Yep. I think all the other gauges work in there. Tach works. It's got the radio working. We're gonna have to check on the parking brake. Those taillights are cool in 64. Got good sound. The gauges are working.
Give you a channel that you want to hear. Oh, no, wrong one, sorry.
Radio works. No on the blower motor, right, Jay?
Right.
Doors open and close nice. Again, we're going to check on those wipers. I think Jay said there's an arm or something that a little. There you go. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our Instagram page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. You want something different? This is it, guys. Big block, 4-speed, nice little cam, cool color. I dig it, man. Truck sits good. Have a great day, guys.